Hello everyone, welcome back to Full Circle Trader. Can you all hear me? Just type yes or no if you can hear me. This is the new software that I'm using for live streaming and I'm using it for the first time, so I'm not sure if I'm live. This is basically for the testing of the software, but I would have also planned to give you some of the analysis on Nifty and Banknifty for tomorrow. So if you can just tell me that if you can hear me loud and clear so that we will proceed from here. As of now, I'm not seeing the live streaming and YouTube page, so I'm not very sure. I'll wait for the people to come and join and just let me know if you can hear me. I'll wait for your answers. You might be hearing some background noises. As I said that I'm using this software for the first time, so I'm not sure how to mute it. Just let me know if you can hear me. Again, this is basically for the testing purpose, and if everything will work out fine, probably I'll use it for the live streaming from next time. Please let me know if you can hear me. I'm just waiting for your reply. I'm not sure why YouTube is not showing me anything. It just simply says that it is still waiting for the streaming software to go live, whereas I'm already live and I can see that in my other devices. But YouTube is telling me that I'm not live. So I'll wait for some more time because I'm using it only for the testing purpose. I want the viewers to join the session and just let me know if you can hear me, and only then I will proceed. So if any one of you is there, just let me know if you can hear me and if you can see my screen properly. A lot of action has been done. Today the markets were, very interesting, so to speak. There are actually a lot of things to share. So this is trading view chart, and the one thing that I really like about this software is that it is giving us this option of volume for the index. I think apart from this software, Trade Tiger is also one of the softwares that shows the volume for Nifty and Banknifty index. Otherwise, I don't think that there are any other softwares that has this capability. By the way, I'm also in one of the trades. So I have one open trade, and that is a put spread which I shorted few days back. So I sold the 16,900 and 16,700 put spread, and when market gapped down today almost 230 and 40 points, I got a little scared. However, market rebounded from their lows, and one thing that kind of gave me the confidence that I might get a chance to stay in the trade, and which was that it has a support in the daily, it has a support in the hourly time frame, and the volume in the open interest is there in the 17,000 level, and quite a huge open interest. So that was kind of giving me the confidence to be in the trade. Otherwise, if I just see the 5-minute chart, the way it gapped down and then it came back, if this retesting was not there and prices did not move, which eventually made this bottoming tail bar as the low of the day, the bottom of the day, I would have to probably get out of this put spread trade. But fortunately, market did not broke the low and did not form any further lows from there. So again, just let me know if you can hear me. By the time you guys come and join, let me just try my hands on few things on this new software. So I found one. Speaker kind of a icon on the software. So I'm just clicking on it. Just let me know if you can hear me, because I think that this is perhaps this is a mute tab. Let me know if you can hear me. I just turned it off and now I turned it on. So maybe I'll see in the recording if it is working or not. Okay, so it's been almost 10 minutes into this live streaming session. No one here. Not a problem. I'll wait for probably 2-3 minutes more. Okay, I think I should start. I should give few of the important pointers here, as I'm in the video, as I'm in the recording. Perhaps I should not waste it. As you can see that we have this low here, which is around 16,700, and we have this minor resistance area from where the prices have turned once, which was around 17,400. So now the prices are in between this support and resistance. The another important point that we should note is that in this weekly expiry, the range of the open interest has got little bit widened, which means that we have the highest call open interest at 18,000 and the put open interest at 17,000. So which means that market could remain volatile in this expiry because of this wide range of open interest. Prices may oscillate back and forth, up and down between 18,000 and 17,000 level. But let's see how they play out in tomorrow. After this bullish bar here, prices open gap down almost at this next to the open of this bar, this big red bar, and then they the recovery came and the bulls have taken the prices back to its high. So that shows that bulls are there and they are very aggressive and active in the trade, especially in Nifty. We have this downward sloping 20 MA that suggests that prices may move to the downside, and we are in a downtrend since we have broken this support area. However, as things have been turned out in last few sessions around if I should say 17,000 and 17,400 level, it looks that bulls are trying to take the control of the ground. And so keeping that in mind, if prices open gap up, or if they open and keeps moving up, then this is one area which is around 17,400, which could create a little bit of problem for the people who want to go long in Nifty. So just be careful of that. On the downside, it doesn't look like as of now, but if I just see the US markets are again red, and they may sort of create impact in our market tomorrow. So just be careful of that. Let's just see what is happening in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, almost same kind of a chart here. We have this downward sloping 20 MA and prices open gap down and then they recovered. So after this topping tail bar, so this bar suggested that prices will move down further and will take out the low of this green bar from where the buying started. But this is not happening and we are still above this. Just a second, guys. I'm sorry. So in Bank Nifty, we are again here. Bulls looks very aggressive and active here. The stopping tail, however, suggested that prices may move down, but that did not happen and we are above this support area. Now prices, if we just look to the left, we do not have any strong resistance and prices might move if they continue moving. We do not have anything strong to the left until 40,000 level. So Bank Nifty looks like that if prices will just take out the high of this topping tail bar, which is around 39,600, we might see more bullish bars or the more bullish movement in Bank Nifty. There is just one thing that I wanted to show in Nifty, that we have this breakout bar here in Nifty, if you can see. So prices formed a kind of range here, then we have the breakout here, and this breakout bar was in a sense strong because it closed at its high, right? But just after this breakout bar, prices touched the above resistance at 17,400, and then we have the selling came in the market. However, as bulls are holding up this level, especially the 17,100, 200 levels, the 17,001, that shows that these levels are playing as a very important location for the bulls in the market as of now. So tomorrow would be a very interesting day in my opinion, because if prices, let's say, open gap up and somehow they clear this resistance area, that would suggest that prices will keep continue moving to the upside, because then after clearing this hurdle here, they do not have anything very strong that can stop prices to move to the upside. Now if we just look at what is happening in the US market, so this is the Dow Jones chart, and if you can see that prices are keep moving down. That shows that the markets are still bearish overall. If we see the S&P 500, which is the index for 500 stocks, it is down. And if you just look at the the futures of US market, so this is the S&P 500 future. You can see that how prices are moving down. This is the Nasdaq. All the primary indices in US are moving to the downside. This is the E-mini future for the Russell 2000, which is the index of 2000 stocks. So it's a small cap index. So again, prices are moving to the downside here. If we just see what is happening in the crude, just to get a sense of that what is happening around the world, what is happening in commodity, what is happening in the equity market. So you can see how crude oil has jumped from these lows. So that shows that crude oil is again crossed the 90 mark, and that is kind of not good for the economies like India and the other Asian economies. Gold is it is coming down. So all in all, we have a kind of clue that markets are trying to struggle to move, either to remain where they are or just to move up. But we should take advantage of this market through the investment vehicle, which is options. So what we can do is, see, if you are a trader who understands the options, and if you have a good trading account, if you are properly funded, you can take trades like Iron Condor. Or if you do not have that kind of big account, probably you can play with either bear call or bull put spread, because until and unless the prices in Nifty will break either side and clear the resistance or support area, they might remain stuck in this range here. So let's see where market will open tomorrow, and that would probably give us a more clear picture, and by then we will also know how and where the US markets have closed. So hope that helps, and probably you will get some idea how to plan your trades for tomorrow. If you like this live session, please give it a thumbs up. That's a request to you all. And please let me know if you can hear the video loud and clear, and that would encourage me, give me idea how to plan for further live streamings. So thanks for your time. Have a nice trading session tomorrow. Take care and good night.